In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use section in a Figma design file. Let's dive straight into the world of collaborative design with Figma, where we'll explore the functionalities that make organizing design elements intuitive and efficient. First, if you haven't done so already, open up Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. You can do this by navigating to their website and clicking on the login button located on the top right corner. Logging in equips you with all the recent updates and access to your design files. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. This is your command center, so to speak, where you can access all your files and collaborate with your team. Next, we move to the design phase. Click on Design to open your workspace where all of your creative magic happens. This area will display the canvas and tools you need for the project at hand. Now locate the frame or object you intend to modify. Frames in Figma serve as containers, helping you group elements and organize your workspace. When you select a frame or object, you'll engage with its design properties, providing the control you need to tweak and calibrate your designs. With your frame or object selected, simply right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu that offers various options relevant to your selection. It's a handy shortcut to modify your design elements directly without having to search through the menu bar. From the right-click menu, look for the option labeled Convert to Section. Clicking on this will immediately transform your selected frame or object into a section. Sections are incredibly useful for managing your workspace in Figma. They allow you to organize your design file into distinct areas, making it easier to navigate and collaborate with your team. Think of sections as dividers that help categorize different parts of your project, streamlining your design process. That's essentially all there is to it, but a few additional tips can enhance your experience. Try naming your sections descriptively. This will help keep everything organized and easy to find, especially in more complex projects. You can also leverage Figma's feature to collapse or expand sections, allowing you to focus on one area of your design at a time. Finally, collaborate with your team by sharing sections and seeking feedback, embracing the full power of Figma as a collaborative tool. And there you have it, you've now learned how to effectively use sections in a Figma design file to keep your projects tidy and efficient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more design tips and tricks.